Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Right now, we just took a buy position here on a 15-minute, and right now we are just waiting to pretty much hit the 1-to-1 ratio. But I'm looking to kind of get a little bit more than that. I do feel like with NYSE volume, we should be able to get a nice push up. But we'll just play everything by ear. You know, I can't tell the future, so we'll just go ahead and give it our best shot off my analysis, and we'll see what happens. We'll make the best of it. So guys, we got pretty much just 2.5 minutes. Gonna go ahead and move that stop loss and trail our stop loss here soon. We are in profits at the moment, so gonna go ahead and just manage that trade and give some good trade management by reducing risk and at the same time increasing profits. Still got 2 minutes left in this candle, so I'm really looking forward to it closing bullish like it is. Being able to trail the stop loss and keep trailing that stop loss. That's what I'm looking forward to doing. I want to keep trailing that stop loss up until that loss becomes extremely low. So just being extremely patient at this moment. Alright, folks, gonna be able to trail that stop loss just real nice. I could easily trail this stop loss a little bit tighter here and use the 15 minute, but personally I want to stay away from trailing that 15 minute just because I want to give myself a better opportunity to stay within the trade. I do feel like there's a high probability that trailing your stop loss below that 15 minute, below the 15 minute liquidity wick would be a high probability of getting stopped out. Yes, it would be a managed trade, but I feel like we're giving up the possibility of winning a trade. So what I'm going to do here is keep the risk a little bit more, I guess you could say, at risk. At this point, we went from losing a $17 trade to now at this point, the worst that could happen is losing $13. So we're slowly decreasing the risk, and at the same time, we're keeping the same take profit level. So generally, I could take profit at like $18 to make a 1-to-1. Just a little bit above a 1.5%, or pretty much, a little bit over a 1-to-1. But with the holding of this position, we can go ahead and increase profits and really capitalize on this trade. So kind of curious to see how this plan all works out. Overall take profit, we do have an overall take profit of $65, so could really work out. Here we go, pound yen. Alrighty, folks, since we have pushed up quite a bit with this next candle, I am going to trail that stop loss again just a little bit more. I feel like for it to retrace now at this point, I mean, it would be is what it is. If it wants to retrace after being this bullish and wants to retrace back and flip bearish, I mean, that can happen easily in Forex for sure, but the likelihood of that happening at this point with this candle being so bullish is the probability that's happening is definitely on my side of my side of the favor. So I'm going to go ahead and trail the stop loss a little bit more here. So now we went from a $13 loss to a pretty much a $7 loss. So now we went from a $13 loss to a $7 loss. So we've damn near halved it, and we're still in profits, looking forward to increasing that even more. There is a part of me that wants to close with a 1-to-1 ratio, but honestly, I feel like I would miss out on my opportunity to get in more. I did have to be a little bit careful of this area right here, this area that we're approaching at 188.76. That right there, I'm gonna have to be a little bit worried about that. To be honest, I'm gonna have to be a little bit worried about that. So we are pretty much nearing up on we've hit our 1-to-1 at this point, guys. So I could close for that 1-to-1, but honestly, I'm looking forward to holding. But if I do hit like a little 20, I might just go ahead and close it. Well, folks, I did see that one to one. I missed the opportunity to go ahead and close the one to one. Just actually a little bit over. We did hit a little 20 right there. Could have easily closed right there, but it was a split second. You know, it was only for just a short period of time I had to make that decision. Now we are going back down. Not necessarily in drawdown, but our profits have decreased quite a bit. So, you know, at this point, guys, we just gotta sit here and hold, and really just at the end of the day, hope for the best. But I really feel like with this candle being bullish, we should be able to keep continuing this. But it's looking as if hopefully, you know, we don't start flipping bearish. That's all I really hope for. I hope these candles keep printing bullish. something just tells me this last little minute we're gonna get a nice little push to the upside before the candle closes. I don't know why I have this feeling, but for some reason I got this feeling, and we'll just see how that goes. At this point, I'm looking to go ahead and get that 1-to-1 ratio. So we did get a nice little push right before the candle closed. This candle was 15 minutes about to close, about to get a new opening. I'm really hoping we could just kind of get up in that, just feel that wick. Really, if we can feel that wick, I'd be ready to go. Fuck. Try to close it right at 20 bucks, but I didn't close it just a little bit underneath. But is what it is there, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and mark where I went ahead and closed full. About right there. I'm gonna see how much further this position will go. Of course, that fucking happens. It's crazy, just a little bit more patience, but dude, sometimes it's just like, fuck. It just gets in your head a little bit. But yeah, guys, that is gonna be the end for the stream today. Gonna go ahead and look to hop off. Really good to hit a nice trade today. Just get everything back on track. Again, thank you guys for tuning into the stream today. Really appreciate it, guys. It does mean a lot. But other than that, guys, again, thank you a lot. Really appreciate you guys tuning in today. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys here very soon in the near future. Be seeing you guys tomorrow morning, Friday. See what we can make happen, guys. Until then, guys, thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the stream. Peace out.